Hello, what's up guys, it's Arduino Tube, and in our today's video we are going to show that how to make a distance meter using an LCD I2C, an ultrasonic sensor and an Arduino Uno. The required libraries, components and the code and the circuit is also given in the description. If you want that, just click on the link and download it. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And please share my video. Thank you. So let's jump onto the tutorial.
At first, take the breadboard and the LCD I2C with terminal. Here are 4 pins in the I2C. They are ground, VCC, SD and ACL. You can see that. Now also take the Arduino Uno and the ultrasonic sensor HCSR0504. You can buy it on the Amazon. Now connect the I2C pins with jumper and power up your breadboard with the 5V and ground pins of Arduino. Now connect the ground pin of LCD I2C with the ground line of breadboard and the VCC pin of LCD I2C with the 5V line of breadboard. Now we know that there are 4 pins. There are 2 SDA pin and 2 SCL pins in the Arduino. There is a default SDA pin and the A4 pin is also works as a SDA, and all SCL pin is there is a default SCL pin, and A5 pin also works as a SCL pin. I am connecting the SDA pin of I2C terminal with the A4 pin of Arduino and the SCL pin of LCD with the A5 pin of A5 analog pin 5 with the of Arduino. Now place the ultrasonic sensor on the breadboard, and here you can see 4 pins: ground, trigger, echo and VCC. Now connect the ground pin of ultrasonic sensor with the ground line of breadboard and connect the VCC pin or the VCC pin of ultrasonic sensor with the 5V line of Arduino. Now connect the echo pin of ultrasonic sensor with the digital pin 7 and the trigger pin of ultrasonic sensor with the digital pin number 8. And thus our circuit goes completed. Now go to the PC and upload the code. Now connect the Arduino with the USB cable with your PC or laptop and whatever you have, and go to the So we have come to our PC. Now open the INO file from the given description. I am opening it from my file explorer. Now just compile it and upload it to your Arduino board. Yes, you have to check your port and ports are corrected or not. My port is COM7. Your may be vary. Now just compile it. You can see that my compiling is complete. Now just upload it, and it is uploading, and it is uploaded.